Hunter, watch. Connor's at the corner. Jeez.
Yeah.
You're both hit, you're both hit, you're both hit, you're both hit.
Alright. Hey, watch out. Oh, okay. Yep.
In between those two trees down there.
Oh, really? Is there two trees in the forest?
I think there's someone. Hey, watch your right.
None of that.
Come on, Tyler. Look out, look out. Holy shit. You need to get rid of sniper ammo. Oh, man.
Hit!
Oh, hit! Right back.
Jesus, wind.
Dude, doesn't he have to drop the bomb? Look out, we got Skylar coming.
Camera.
Hey, can you move up here? I got it up. Alright. Something's right over there, so I can't get a shot at him. He's laying prone on the other far side of the trail. Alright. You see him? Yep. Alright. I'm gonna try to move up. There's one at the top of the wood pile over there. Hit!
Camera.
Off track. Two people. Throwing sword. God damn it.
Got it.
Nice shot.
That went right there. Oh. Through the stomach. Hey, we got someone on the hill. It's someone. Sorry,
This is the one that I have that works. Watch out, Danny. No. I got Danny. We're good. Watch out, there's somebody way down there. Right, end of the wood pile.
Guys, come up. Set.
Four minutes. 4 minutes. 4.
Adam, the bomb's on this side. It's right on this side of the wood pile. I'm 5-0 today. Skylar's still waiting out by that tree.
Way down?
Yeah. See, his bullets for me.
Yeah, I know.
It's not that good. They like float up here.
Throw it up here?
They float up here.
Because they're magic BBs.
Nobody, I haven't seen anybody land back up, so I don't think anybody's by that bomb yet. As I think we've gotten them all.
Look around quick, okay?
Oh, okay. Watch out, watch out. Oh.
I'm coming through, coming through.
Okay, Jared, get ready. Okay, there's one guy coming back. There's 2 guys coming back. See if we can reach that bar.
Hit! Hit!
He's hit.
Got the bomb, got the guy at the bomb. The bomb's got the bomb. Got the guy at the bomb. The bomb's got the right up high.
Camera.
I think there might be one other guy in that one pile.
Hey, we got Danny right down there in those trees. I see him. No, yeah, I see him. You can easily hit. No one. Hey! Damn it! Hit! God damn it, every time. I cannot even aim. Danny, oh Jesus! Danny's moving! Danny's coming out! Coming out! Got him! Is that a grenade kill?
What?
No, it bounced off.
No, it's on the other side.
Woo! Hey, is anyone else down here, Sim?
If you're hit, Danny, go respawn.
You go respawn, no revive. Sims, is anyone else down here? No. Take him back to grenade or something. Let's get pick it up and use it.
Jesus.
Hey, move out of the way. Watch around that corner.
Yep.
Move it up!
Watch that tree next to wood pile.
He's coming up. He's coming real close.
5 minutes.
5 minutes? What?
Shush.
I thought it was just 5 minutes. Get ready, right around that corner. Right around that corner. Grenade? Possibly.
Hold it.
Yep, we got something down there. God damn it.
Connor, I need you over here.
Game over. Game over. Good game, everyone.
This thing goes through bullets like mother.
Huh?
This is my 3rd bag this game.
For real?
Yes.
Maybe it's because you shoot too much. Yeah, now you're like, oh, fine.
Well, doesn't help
Nice shooting, Dalton, dude. That one was like right past my ear. I was like, oh. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Good work, Connor. So what gun you got using?
Skeletor blowback, JGM4S system upgraded.
What you got in it?
System of blue, S150 spring, and then 11.1 volt LiPo.
Nice.
Whatever, you want to edit that out?
Now I'm leaving it in.
Oh, you're a jerk.
Hey Adam, what kind of gun are you using there?
G36C.
What kind of battery you got in that?
A LiPo, I don't know what it's called. Custom painted by Tyler Schofield. Sponsor.
Is there gas in it? There's no BBs in it.
Nice shot. No, there's one in there. Want to play Russian roulette?
Let me see. Kinda.
No, not really.
No. I was walking along.
Did that one bounce?
Went off and bounced off the ground and skimmed my arm.
Right, yeah, like, I thought you had the bomb, that's why. I didn't know you were just shaking your name.
I shot him for a bit too.
Just like a name.
Shot Adam.
It's because you said there was like a minute left, so yeah, you were just going for it.
Danny, was that me that got you when you were at the beginning?
Nate, where's our? Maybe. Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Right here.
Why don't you know these things? Dude, you watch the kill feed.
The wood pile, like so many times.
They're like bouncing off of the tree above me, like hitting the ground in front of me, like rolling down the hill.
So, crazy. How long did it take them to find you, Dalton?
Pretty good lot.
Top of your head.
Yeah.
Top of your goggles.
I need a phone.
Oh, we have some more guns over here too.
One break name? I hate to be that guy, but
There is.
I hate to be that guy.